Coming up on today's episode of Airborne-NextGen, Virgin Orbit creditors cry foul. DJI UAS offering purports to benefit farmers in the Americas. And Joby and Toyota enter into supply agreement. And I'm your host, Holland Lee. Welcome to the Aero-News Network's Airborne-NextGen program, a weekly news program covering the next generation of flight, from electric-powered to vertical lift, uncrewed vehicles, and everything in between. Let's get into today's stories. Virgin Orbit creditors cry foul. The unsecured creditors of Sir Richard Branson's imperiled Virgin Orbit have prevailed upon a Delaware bankruptcy judge to reject the satellite launch concern's request to access nearly $32 million in Chapter 11 financing. Contending, Virgin Orbit's parent company arranged both the bankruptcy case and the post-filing loan for its own benefit. In a motion filed Wednesday, April 26th, the Unsecured Creditors Committee accused Virgin Orbit's indirect parent company, Virgin Investments Limited, of willfully burdening the former entity with debt prior to commencement of the Chapter 11 proceedings and providing a debtor-in-possession financing package that saddles the case with an overly tight timeline and budget, thereby limiting the recovery of unsecured creditors. The Creditors Committee set forth, quote, Virgin Investments Limited should not be permitted to take advantage of the bankruptcy process for its sole benefit without ensuring the process is fair to all constituencies and sufficiently funded to prevent administrative insolvency, end quote. In its Chapter 11 filings, Virgin Orbit reported its launch revenues had been comparatively small, and the net revenue from an attempted December 2021 effort to take the company public via merger with a special purpose acquisition company had fallen short of expectations by some $300 million. Coming up after the break, Reliable Robotics and NASA complete unique flight tests.
Throughout the globe, Piper Aircraft has hand-selected the very best in company representation, service, and support. From first inquiry to acquisition to product support, Piper Aircraft ownership is seamless and worry-free. Piper Aircraft authorized dealers, factory-trained, factory-connected.
Skyleader Aircraft offers a lineup of the most powerful, durable, and efficient light sport aircraft in the industry. From trainers to roomy cockpits for long hauls, Skyleader has an aircraft for you. And the best part? They're in your budget. Skyleader's base prices are set low to give you room to customize your aircraft to your needs, desires, and wallet, allowing you to put your money where it matters to you most. Visit flyskyleader.com today to learn about our aircraft, customization options, and chat with the team.
Welcome back. Now for some shorter stories in our Next Gen Minute. Reliable Robotics and NASA complete unique flight tests. Reliable Robotics has completed flight testing to substantiate the viability of utilizing extant FAA primary surveillance radar data to improve the safety of the NAS. Since 2021, Reliable Robotics has been working with NASA's AAM national campaign to advance the safe, secure, and efficient integration of remotely piloted aircraft into the NAS. The FAA granted NASA limited access to PSR data for use in the flight testing regimen undertaken by Reliable Robotics, the completion of which occasioned a major step toward the widespread utilization of existing radar infrastructure for detect and avoid systems. GAMA welcomes 7 new members. The General Aviation Manufacturers Association has increased its membership roster by the additions of MedAir Inc. and VSC Aviation as members, and Elroy Air, H55, and Battery Aero, Reliable Robotics, and Transcend Air as associate members. Quite a few of these new members are heavily involved in alternative power plant and autonomous aircraft research and development, which is reshaping GAMA in a number of ways. Army National Guard to receive GE-25M drones. General Atomics Aeronautical Systems has announced the U.S. Army National Guard had received fiscal year 2023 congressional funding for a dozen new Gray Eagle 25M unmanned aircraft systems. The GE-25Ms will be available also to support domestic missions the likes of Homeland Defense and disaster response. The Gray Eagle 25M is a medium-altitude, long-endurance UAS developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems for the United States Army as an upgrade of the company's MQ-1 Predator. Red Cat launches Teal 2 UAS at Quad A Summit. Red Cat Holdings has launched its Teal 2 military-grade small unmanned aerial system. Previously limited to early adopters such as the U.S. Customs and Border Protection Agency, which ordered 54 specimens of the robust quadcopter drone, the Teal 2 was declared universally available to military, government, and commercial customers at 2023's Army Aviation Association of America's Mission Solutions Summit in Nashville, Tennessee. The Teal 2 SUAS system is manufactured at Red Cat Salt Lake City factory. Well, that was our Next Gen Minute. Now back to the rest of the news. DJI UAS offering purports to benefit farmers in the Americas. DJI introduced its Agras T20P agricultural drone to the Americas at Brazil's Agrishow, an agricultural technology trade show that ranks among the world's largest such events. The instance occasioned the platform's first showing outside of Asia. The Agras T20P is designed to function in concert with DJI's Smart Farm Web, a software product that concomitantly generates high-definition images of farmland, orchards, vineyards, etc., and analyzes crop growth with a high degree of clarity. The latter system facilitates comprehensive and convenient management of digitalized agricultural information by providing guidance germane to the automated operation of various implements of agricultural machinery and monitoring the effectiveness of agrarian operations. DJI established the DJI Agriculture brand in 2015 and has since developed a broad portfolio of Agras products to include the T-Series and MG-Series agricultural drones, the Mavic 3 multispectral platform, and the DJI Terra and Smart Farm apps. DJI Agriculture works with partners and industry stakeholders to create an aerial application ecosystem conducive to pesticide optimization, product improvement, technological advancement, and talent growth. The products born of Subject Enterprise have been used in various regions and are favored by a global customer base. And after these messages, Joby and Toyota enter into supply agreement.
Whether you're charting a steady course or pushing for the ceiling, Hartzell Propeller has been elevating flight for over 100 years. It's in our passion for engineering and research. It's in our dedication to testing the limits of performance and creating propellers that are as safe as they are sexy. Now, together with our dedicated family of companies, we're propelling the future of aviation. We are Hartzell Propeller, built on honor.
Are you ready to ace your FAA drone pilot knowledge test, get your remote pilot certificate, and start earning money? Well, flying a drone is a great tool that can open up new business opportunities for anyone. Realtor, insurance adjuster, videographer, or commercial weekend drone warrior, you need to fly legally. Whether you're pursuing your initial Part 107 remote pilot certificate or you need a renewal, King Schools has a course just for you. So start learning today at kingschools.com.
Welcome back. Joby and Toyota enter into supply agreement. Joby Aviation announced that it had signed a long-term agreement with Toyota Motor Corporation, by which the latter entity will supply key powertrain and actuation components essential to the production of Joby's eVTOL production model. The agreement occasions the continuation of a long-standing partnership between Joby and Toyota, a partnership that has seen the two companies collaborate on a variety of projects in support of the production and assembly of Joby's inchoate eVTOL. Toyota is Joby's largest external shareholder, having invested some $400 million in the company. The components, designed by Joby and manufactured by Toyota, will be delivered to Joby's powertrain and electronics manufacturing facility in San Carlos, California. The completed powertrain assemblies will subsequently be shipped to the company's production line in Marina, where they will be integrated into eVTOL airframes. Intended to prove out scalable tooling and processes at low volumes in advance of full-scale aircraft production, Joby's Marina facilities were designed with Toyota's help, leveraging decades of the famed Japanese marque's experience in the infrastructurally intensive business of producing reliable, high-quality automobiles at volume. And that's our show for today. You can catch episodes of Airborne on YouTube, Roku, or Fire TV. Just search for Aero-News or Airborne, and don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching!